Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a show-stopping update that's shaking up the tech scene. Samsung has just unveiled the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series, and Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is making waves with its groundbreaking AI advancements. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's dive right into this tech-packed episode. First up, let's talk about Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This isn't just another processor, it's a leap forward in AI technology. Designed for blazing speed and unmatched intelligence, this chip transforms how we interact with our devices. Imagine taking photos where the AI sharpens every detail, even in challenging lighting. Or how about voice recognition that's so intuitive, it feels like your phone truly understands you. These are just glimpses of what the Snapdragon 8 Elite brings to the table. It's fast, it's smart, and it's set to redefine mobile experiences. But here's a question for you. Which AI feature are you most excited to see? Crystal clear photography, enhanced multitasking, or something else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's shift gears to the showstopper. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. This lineup includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the headliner, the S25 Ultra. Let's talk design because Samsung has really stepped it up this year. Have you seen those silver and blue models? They're nothing short of breathtaking. The blue, which we think might belong to the S25 Plus, is especially striking. Samsung has embraced a sleek new look with flat frames and displays, and the bezels? Noticeably thinner than last year's models. Minimalism at its best. And yes, the S Pen makes its return, but there's a twist. Rumors suggest it might lose its Bluetooth functionality. What do you think? Is this a deal breaker or a refreshing change? And now, the crown jewel, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone is all about elegance and power. Its slightly rounded corners are less pronounced than the other models, giving it a refined edge. One design detail that caught our eye? The camera ring now matches the frame color instead of the back panel. It's subtle but adds a sophisticated touch. And just like the rest of the lineup, the Ultra features a flat screen, a flat frame, and super thin bezels. Samsung is clearly focused on aesthetics and functionality this year. Now, let's talk software. Samsung's One UI 7 is here, and it's bringing some game-changing features. The highlight? The all-new Now bar. Think of it as your personal assistant, delivering daily updates, schedule reminders, fitness tracking, and personalized content, all at a glance. It's Samsung's way of keeping your life organized and your smartphone experience seamless. What's your take on the Now bar? A feature you'll use daily or just another gimmick? Let us know in the comments. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the Galaxy S25 series and Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. What are your thoughts on Samsung's sleek new designs, Qualcomm's AI breakthroughs, and the One UI 7 features? Let us know, we love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates, and make sure to tap the bell icon so you'll never miss out on the latest tech news. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.